In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Dhgate notifications 2026, step by step. If your inbox or phone is getting cluttered with updates you don't need, this walkthrough will help you quickly turn off Dhgate notifications while keeping only what matters. We'll do this right from the website on a desktop or laptop. Start by opening your browser and going to dhgate.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top of the page for your profile area. This is usually an avatar or a profile label in the upper right. Click that to open your account options, then choose My Dhgate. This takes you to your personal dashboard where all your account tools live. On the My Dhgate page, focus on the left-hand side. You'll see a sidebar with different sections. Find account settings there. If you don't see everything at first glance, look for a More option in that same area and click it to expand additional settings. This is a quick way to reveal sections that might be tucked away on smaller screens or when the page is compact. Next, select Notifications. This is where Dhgate groups all alert preferences. Inside the Notifications area, you'll see categories for how Dhgate contacts you, typically by email and by SMS. Each item has a toggle. Turning a toggle off will stop those alerts through that channel. For example, under the email section, you should see Reminders. If you no longer want reminder emails for things like pending actions, follow-ups, or promotional nudges, toggle reminders off. You can use the same approach for other email categories shown on your screen. Take a moment to scan the list and decide what's useful and what isn't. Then do the same for SMS. If you're receiving text you don't want, toggle off any SMS categories you no longer need. Many sites, including Dhgate, save these choices automatically as soon as you change a switch, but if you see any save or confirm button, click it to finalize. A few quick tips while you're here. Consider keeping notifications related to order status or security alerts, since those can be important for tracking deliveries and protecting your account. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to the same notifications page and turn a category back on. And if the layout looks slightly different, look for similarly named options, account settings, more, and notifications, since these labels tend to stay consistent even if the design updates. That's it. You've learned how to navigate to My Dhgate, locate account settings, open notifications, and toggle off specific email and SMS categories like reminders. Enjoy a quieter inbox and phone.